Hey, what's up everyone? Isaac here. We're currently in Lakeside walking this house we just purchased last week. As you guys can see, look at all this trash outside. So a little story behind this property. The homeowner was in notice of default, so he wasn't able to keep the mortgage payments up on his property. So someone in our office contacted him and we scheduled an appointment for us to come view the property. And when we came to first view the property and talk to the owner, this is how the outside looked. It was a little bit better shape. You know, they kind of moved some of the stuff from the outside or inside to the outside. But with the backstory, the homeowner was in default. We were able to set an appointment with him, tour the property, learn a little bit about his situation, what his needs were and what his wants were, and kind of work with him on a time schedule of closing on the property that worked for him and allowed him to retire from the job that he was at. And then we were able to close escrow, and then we still gave him a couple more days after that to kind of finish up, you know, collect his money, pack all his stuff, and then relocate to where he was going to move to. But as you guys can see, this property has a lot of stuff outside and the inside matches. But the cool stuff about buying this property in Lakeside is that we got it at a really good price. It needs a ton of work, so hopefully we sell it at what we're looking to make, or possibly a little bit even more. So let's go inside. I'm gonna turn this camera around so you guys can see the inside. All right, so when we first walk in, to the left we got the kitchen and the dining area. So as you can see, this property needs a full remodel. We'll be replacing and removing all those cabinets, all that tile work. We'll be removing this wall right here. It's like an L shape. We'll be getting rid of that, getting rid of this tile flooring, this carpet. And here we're in the living room area of the property. And then back there we have a bedroom or a bathroom, master bedroom, master bath, and then we got two bedrooms on the left hand side of the property, and then we got the garage all the way towards the end. But here in the living room, let's check out this cool little area that leads to a little deck that we're gonna finish off out of that door, and we'll be able to pick up some of these beautiful views here that you already see. There's a park out here. We got some mountain views and this huge backyard that we're going to be finishing off the deck outside. As you can see, this is the deck. We're going to finish it off and make it accessible from the property so you could walk outside on the deck, enjoy a nice view. So on the left hand side of the house, on the right hand side of the house is the bedrooms, and as you can see, this is the first bedroom. We still got the popcorn ceilings and all this trash we need to get rid of. This is the first bathroom or the guest. We'll be completely renovating that as well. This is the second guest bedroom, and as you can see, it's still with a bunch of trash. See, we even have views on this side. This is the master bedroom here. So as you can see, a lot of trash we still need to get rid of. This tile is gonna go for sure. This shower, will be upgrading it with some beautiful porcelain tile, nice cabinets, a vanity, and this property will be completely remodeled here in the next 8 weeks. So as you can see, this property has a lot of work that needs to be completed, starting with all the trash that's in here. As you can see, there's a lot of stuff still inside of the property. In the front yard, both side yards are the same, so there's a bunch of trash that needs to be taken out. So stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe and like my channel, or like this video. Leave a comment. Let me know if you guys have any questions about real estate, or if you're looking for a cash buyer for a property you may have. Don't forget to send me a message. My contact info will be in the video description below. And once again, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks, take care.